Hello, little explorers. Have you ever seen a tiny bee buzzing around a flower? Bees are super important for our planet. Today, we'll learn all about these amazing little workers and why they're so special. Let's dive in. Bees are small insects with fuzzy bodies and wings that help them fly. They belong to a big family called pollinators because they help plants grow by spreading pollen. There are over 20,000 different types of bees in the world. But the most famous one is the honeybee. Bees live in special homes called hives. Inside the hive, they work as a big family, helping each other. The hive has the queen bee, she's the boss. She lays eggs to grow the bee family. Worker bees, these bees are always busy. They collect nectar, clean the hive, and protect it. Drone bees, these are the boy bees. Their job is to help make new bees. Bees make yummy honey from nectar, a sweet juice found in flowers. Here's how they do it. A bee sips nectar from a flower and stores it in its honey stomach. It flies back to the hive and shares the nectar with other worker bees. The bees chew the nectar and turn it into honey. They store the honey in honeycombs made of wax. Did you know? A single bee makes only 1 teaspoon of honey in its whole life. Bees are superheroes of nature. They help flowers, fruits, and vegetables grow by moving pollen from one plant to another. Without bees, we wouldn't have apples, strawberries, or even chocolate. Here are some fun facts about bees. Bees can flap their wings 200 times per second. That's super fast. Bees have 5 eyes. Can you imagine having that many? Bees can fly up to 25 kilometers per hour. That's faster than you can run. Bees talk to each other by dancing. They wiggle to show other bees where to find food. Wow! Bees are amazing little creatures, aren't they? Next time you see a bee, remember how hard they work to help our planet. Thanks for buzzing along with us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning videos. Bye bye, little explorers.